Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Tether on Coinbase step by step. Open Coinbase and sign in, then complete identity verification and add a payment method. Confirm your contact details and set up two-factor authentication for security. Decide whether you want to link a bank account or debit card, since bank transfers often have lower fees and higher limits. Keep your documents handy to speed up verification and avoid delays. Find Tether by using Coinbase search and selecting USD from the asset list, then view the trading pair and market details. Check the current spot price and available liquidity to choose an appropriate purchase amount. Confirm the network and wallet address when moving funds off exchange to prevent lost transfers. Review fees shown by Coinbase and be mindful of minimums and limits when placing an order to ensure a smooth purchase. In this video, I will explain how to buy Tether on Coinbase step by step. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy learning on the go, consider the Kindle Paperwhite I mentioned. It makes reading guides and crypto tutorials easier and more convenient. If you want that product or other deals, please check the description for the link and discounts. Thanks for supporting the channel by subscribing and liking. Now let's get back to the video. Choose whether to use a market order for instant buying or a limit order to control price. Then enter the dollar amount you want to spend and review estimated USD received. Check the fee breakdown and any minimum purchase limits before confirming the order. After execution, view your wallet to confirm the USD balance and save a record of the transaction. Consider moving large balances to a private wallet for long-term custody.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.